Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Ibis X tutorial how to name a folder. So for example, you can go to layer and in here I will create new folder, click this icon and then click add folder. So if you want to rename this folder, you can select the folder and then you can click this three dot icon and choose rename folder. So as example, I will set into number 1 and click OK. The folder name will be changed into number 1. So you can click this triple dot icon to rename the folder. Okay, that's it for basic Ibis X tutorial, how to name a folder. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.